OBOSEMI chinga kichekero chiskuru au chienderete gusika chiskuru eriko swase eruse ntambe yemetienyi ebere eriko tigerera aboroki wa grade gya kyanda na keri gya gatano na rimo na keri gya kyanda ne class gya 12 mwalimu omunene we skuru ya Wema Preparatory Masagara George niga abasabire Abaibori babarende abana babo nane mono babe bakubasiya miguru yobogima nabo igokorenda emibere yabo motineri bwabas kurenda emibere yabo tumonyore umusaki wito Caroline Mausa na roboti oruo ase obwime.
Omo director bwe sukuru yoboroso ya Wema Preparatory George Masagara nige sokire na kubasaba Abaibori babe bakoba maiso anene mono ekera boroki wabanyare ko baba go swaseruse yeiga entambe.
We realize again the holidays are here, and actually these are going to be very many days. It's going to be one of the longest holidays in the year with about 12 weeks. And it's actually a holiday that has got a lot. There is Christmas in it. There are politics in it. Just like we are aware, we have just been bereaved. And Kenyans are in a mourning period. And this one is affecting everybody. And the national exams are coming. These learners are going to interact with the other learners outside, learners from other primary schools, learners from secondary schools, learners from colleges. And there is a lot of challenges that parents are likely to undergo. Speak ill of other people. Children copy that. They tend to hate others for no reason. But when we speak, with respect, when we speak with the recognition of others, when we speak with the patriotism, we teach these people to love their country. We teach these people to love others. We teach these people to be peaceful.
Omo director yoniga sabira Abaibori banyare ko baba gutwara enkwano ya bene na abana babo eliba beba kumanya nene mono abana chinyaruka mu chando kibako baba gwetera ekero batigira sechinka chiabo.
To pray that the Christmas season will be more of a blessing, where parents will find a time to sit with their children and they get to celebrate with their children. Look at the reports we are getting from teachers. We are in a CBE era where we are not awarding children according to how they performed. We don't have position 1, position 2, position 3. We are looking at competencies. Find out where your child is good at. Try to build on that. So these children stand a risk of getting into, informal activities that are not organized. Maybe getting into gangs, walking around the villages, moving from one home to another, and that one may endanger them. There is an element of these children getting exposed into so many risks, like for example drugs.
Naboniga basabira Abaibori abo banyare ko baba kubaira abana babo ase kanisa eli babe bago sasima na nene mono ko bakonya gutwara chimbwa chire chingia.
Interact with the learners from other institutions. There is an element of this socialization and picking up vices, picking up characters, picking up behaviors that probably in one way or the other are not pleasing. Because even different institutions bring up these people differently. And as they interact, there is an element of, copying from one another. And you may find children coming up with behaviors that they did not have before. And these new acquired behaviors may be a challenge not only to them, but to the parents as well. Take time to find out from our children, what is this that has been done to you? Teach them life skills. Teach them sex education. Find out from them how they are relating with others. Find out from these children who has touched them in wrong places. Because in school we teach them that there are places that no one is allowed to touch. And if a parent can equally make a follow-up of that, maybe the child will be able to tell you, Mama, while you are away, somebody touched my breast, somebody touched my hip. And then find out what could have happened, because we have had cases where those things happen, but no one follows it up, and at the end of the day, children suffer.
Korwa suneka ime bunge ya bonchari ginko reporter ya Amayane Soko TV, ili etaria nema osa. Caroline.